What up, guys? Your boy came back again, and today I have some good news because I got a question from in our Telegram group from one of our uh, uh, loyal members, and they wanted to know how they can change their MetaMask uh, um, network from Ethereum, which is the native one, from um, why is it not clicking? Polygon is experiencing a demand influx causing intimate downtime. Polygon. Because now most people are going to Polygon because most NFTs are being hosted on Polygon. Not a problem. But as you can see here, when you connect MetaMask directly, it's always in the Ethereum mainnet because that's the native where that's the native token where it's built on, right? So we want to buy this NFT from Maxwell Bruno, who is a Kenyan artist, underrated, but making huge moves in the NFT space. And you can see when you go to the details about this NFT from Maxwell, you can see the standard blockchain is Polygon. It's built on the Polygon blockchain. So that means for me to buy this NFT, right? Alright, I'm buying it with Ethereum. I will want it to be in, okay, my network should be in the Polygon blockchain for that transaction to go through, right? So I'll just click it right there. All right. Some will add the network automatically, right here. So you can see here there's Phantom Opera, there's Polygon as well. Meaning I had added Polygon. Let me just delete it so that I can show you how to add it because that's the main question. So how am I going to add it? So once you click the buy option, in most cases it's going to add the network for you automatically. It just asks you to confirm, or you can add manually. You can just come here and add network, which is super easy to do. You can see you just need to put in those options. So where do you get these options, right? Just come here and type Polygon network MetaMask. So it will give you those. Okay, just click the first option and then it will give you the steps by steps. Okay, it will give you step by step and then it will come and give you these options that you're going to fill in there, right? So you can see right here we have network name. You can see everything here, network name, RPC in that thing. So what do we do, guys? What do? We just copy this, right? We just copy this. This is what we're going to copy and paste it on the other side, right? So let's just do that. Okay. Yo, easy copy. Oh shit. Okay, let's just go to the second option because that first option imeanza umbwakni. Okay, cookies and all those things. Right, so yeah, this is it. So let's come here, just type this Martin mainnet, copy right there, new RPC. Come just copy this, copy link, come paste it right there. Chain ID 137 and symbol is Matic. So chain ID is 137, symbol is Matic. Then the last link, copy that, paste it right there. So boom. Could not fetch ID, so is your RPC URL correct? Yeah, I mean that's what we got here. Let's see if we can replace it again. Um, yeah, so boom, just did it, and then it will tell us to add network, and that's it. So when we come back here, okay, it's the same here. When we come back here, oh, changing the RPC network. Okay, okay, I understand this. So the issue is, in terms of congested network, sometimes changing the RPC URL helps out, which is perfect because we have that situation right now. And I'm glad it has happened live right here so that you can know, so that you don't panic when you see this, right? So let's just redo that process again. So let's copy that. Let's copy that. So let's change this to this. Okay. This ID is 137. Matic symbol is Matic. Then block explorer right here. Let's do it. Cancel. Let's do it. Let's see if it's gonna accept that. I can see it's loading. So boom, right there you can see our matic is right there, and we have 0 matic. So if you had some matic appeared here, you can just buy, and you can see here when you come to the networks, the matic minute is there, the minute and phantom. So if you want to add another network, it's very simple. You can be in the AVAX blockchain and you want to do that, so you can just say AVAX network Metamask, and you can add it ASAP, right? You can just add it ASAP. I hope this article, the first article, does us some justice, and yeah, you can see the network name is Avalanche Network. Okay, home, new RPC. Let's copy that. Alright, chain ID, the same process, nothing hard. Is 43 114. It's nothing complicated, just copy those things, and it's just that, just copying them and pasting. But most of them are going to add automatically for you. So yeah, paste, save, and boom, right there. So you see we have some AVAX right there, and it's gonna show you that automatically when you add the network. You can see they align themselves, so you can change at any time depending on which blockchain you have, right? Right, depending on which blockchain you have, you can change any given time. So that's how you change your network. There's a lot of congestion in the Matic network, that's why it's loading. That's how you change your MetaMask mainnet. So when you come here to extension, it's going to show you the same thing. Okay, it's going to show you the same thing. So you're going to return it to the Ethereum mainnet and leave it at that. So I hope, guys, you understood. I hope it was easy. I hope it was perfect, and you're not going to get that headache again. It's super easy to use your wallet. Super easy to transact with the Web3 website, and I'm glad you asked these questions because that's how I get to know what you guys want to learn. So comment below anything else you want me to talk about, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We're almost getting to 100 subscribers, and not 100,000 but 100, which is perfectly fine for me. I'm glad to help even one person, and see you next time.